the biggest mistake I made with niacinamide. Niacinamide breaks me out. Whenever I apply niacinamide on my face, I start seeing pimples, breakouts, acne. I don't like it. It's not compatible with my face. My face doesn't like niacinamide. Yadi, 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 yadi. Hi guys, my name is Uzoho Emanuela. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be talking about niacinamide. All you need to know about niacinamide, because niacinamide is the game changer you have not been trying. Yes, so in today's video, I will tell you guys all about niacinamide and why you should start using niacinamide if you've not started. And if you started, keep on using it. It's not a one-step treatment. It is a continuous treatment. It is a continuous ingredient that you should always have in your skincare routine. Niacinamide is a form of vitamin B3. Okay, it is a water-based ingredient. It is a powerhouse ingredient that you need to take your face game from 0 to 100. I'm going to tell you guys the benefits of niacinamide. Niacinamide helps to restore your skin barrier. Okay, it strengthens and restores your skin barrier by retaining moisture. Okay, by retaining moisture and enhancing ceramide production. It reduces inflammation. If you're someone that have irritation, sensitive skin, redness, niacinamide is what you need to reduce that inflammation. Niacinamide is called the powerhouse ingredient because it is an ingredient that does a powerful work on your skin. Now, you need this in your skincare routine, okay? Niacinamide minimizes pores. If you're someone that have pores, blackheads, textured skin, niacinamide is what you need. Leave your vitamin C. Keep it aside. The benefit of niacinamide is reduces your oil production. It reduces sebum production. Now, acne prone skin, what is it all about? Oily skin always have acne, pimples, breakouts because of the oiliness. Okay, bacteria's acne breeds on an oily skin. Now, when you have that sebum production in control, now bacteria no longer breed and those breakouts will be reduced. Okay, that is why niacinamide is essential for you. When you're using niacinamide, your sebum production will reduce. Now bacteria will no longer breed, pimple, acne will no longer breed 100% on your face. It will reduce. That is the work of niacinamide. Niacinamide brightens and evens your skin tone. If it contains brightening effects. Now niacinamide is going to do all of this and also brighten your face. You that is looking for brightening ingredients, there is one ingredient that will minimize your pore, reduce the textured skin you are battling with, brighten your skin, even out your tone, reduce redness and flakiness on your face, improve the elasticity of your skin, give you that beautiful, minimized, pore, smooth face. And you say you don't like niacinamide. Chill. I used to be in that category. I used to say, oh, niacinamide breaks me out, because the first time I used it that contains niacinamide and I broke out, and I'm like, okay, this is a moisturizer, so obviously what is breaking me out is the niacinamide in it. So that since that time I cancelled niacinamide. So each time I'm buying something, like, please give me something that doesn't contain niacinamide, because niacinamide breaks me out. I always say that when I go to my skincare plug, I'll be like, please, I don't want anything that contains niacinamide. Can you give me a moisturizer that doesn't contain niacinamide? Niacinamide breaks me out. I used to be that girl. Okay, but not anymore. Niacinamide doesn't break me out. It was the ingredients or whatever ingredients, the combination of the ingredient in the moisturizer that broke me out, not niacinamide. Niacinamide is gentle, it is skin friendly, compatible with other ingredients. Now the question is, who needs niacinamide? If you have an acne prone skin, you need niacinamide. If you are an oily skin or combination skin, you need niacinamide. If you are aging, you need niacinamide, because it's going to improve the ceramide production, thereby improving the elasticity of your skin. With aging comes reduction in your collagen, and your elasticity of your skin keeps on sagging or keeps on dragging. With niacinamide, you can keep your skin intact and firmer. I'm talking about the age for aging people. Now, for you young person in your early 20s, late 20s, early 30s, you need niacinamide, because imagine locking it up at an early age. When you are aging, during your aging process, you don't have anything to worry because you've done the work. Okay, niacinamide, I don't know how much I can talk about niacinamide, but I love that ingredient. It is the powerhouse. After moisturizer is niacinamide. Before moisturizer is niacinamide. As you buy your moisturizer or your face cream, buy niacinamide. Niacinamide is what that should always be in your skincare. Yes, Once it goes off, you buy another one because it's going to help keep your face in check. Imagine brightening your face, evening out your face, minimizing pores, removing blackheads, straightening your skin barrier, improving the texture of your skin. Have textured skin. Niacinamide is that ingredient you need. Okay, now I'm going to be listing out niacinamides I've tried and the one you should try. This is the Face Fat Suit Glow Niacinamide Serum. This was the niacinamide I started with, and it retails for 6,500. You can see it at the back here. It retails for 6,500. This was the first niacinamide I used, and I love it. Face Fat is a brand I trust. Yes, if you get your hands on the original one, it's a brand I trust. It says it improves radiance and uneven skin texture. Perfect. That's all I've been saying in this video. Now the consistency. This is a watery. It has a watery consistency. Okay, when I started using this, according to websites online, Google, all the search engines, they didn't really specifically say how many percentage of niacinamide this contains. Okay, but online a lot of people are saying 10%, some are saying 5%, but it's so watery, it runs down. You have to just be in control, like hold it so it doesn't drip down. After applying it, you notice this glow on your face, this visible glow on your face. I love this niacinamide. It is cheap, affordable, yet does the work. I love it. It's a 30 milligram, and it says here for overstressed and overworked skin, vegan friendly. Oh my god, yes. So guys, this niacinamide is very good for you. I can attest to it, the glow it gives, and it improves texture. This was the first niacinamide I tried, and trust me, 3 days into it, people were asking me, your texture is getting better, what are you using? And I'm like, oh, it's niacinamide, because I was still skeptical, and this was what I got for a try. Okay, and it was so beautiful. I said, okay, let me try out this so that I can give my review. Now the second niacinamide I'll be reviewing here is the Good Molecules. Yeah, we know this brand, right? This pinky brand, so nice. And this contains 5% niacinamide. Yeah, they indicated it actually for us that it contains 5% niacinamide, and the ingredients in it, it contains 5% niacinamide, and they said it's a gentle serum to refine skin texture and minimize pores. See, once your pores are minimized, your face will be so beautiful. But once your pores are not minimized, that's what we call texture skin. Your skin is rough. If it's not minimized, if it's not clean, it is textured. We call it texture skin. And if you have a texture skin, niacinamide is one thing you need. Everything aside, the first thing it does is to minimize your pores, reduce sebum production, and that's what you need for a textured skin girly. Okay, now this Good Molecules is not as runny as the Face Fat. It's not as runny as the Face Fat, but there is a control. It has a control. It just comes down, then you apply it. It doesn't sting. Niacinamide will never react on your skin. If the niacinamide you're using is reacting, that means it's wrong. It's either you got the fake, or whatever they mixed inside there, they are not saying the truth. It's not only niacinamide that's inside there, okay? But niacinamide naturally would not react on your skin. Now, this Good Molecules with 5%, it has a controllable consistency, and it is a little bit thicker. Like I said, it's a little bit thicker than the Face Fat moisturizer, and yeah, it gives this glow. There's a glow it gives, but I can't compare it to the glow this gave me. Okay, Face Fat gave me this glow that I know that when I go out, people be like, oh, your face is glowing, and it's this. The next niacinamide I'll be telling you guys about is this. This is the Ordinary niacinamide 10% and 1% zinc. Okay, this contains zinc in it. Zinc is very perfect for someone that has an acne prone skin. Zinc helps in controlling acne, and I love the fact that this serum contains 1% zinc in it. Now this has a more gel-like consistency, and it's not runny, it's not thick. When you apply it, it is thick. It has a gel-like consistency when you apply it, and most times if you put a lot on your face, you will notice a foamy texture coming out of it. Okay, it's a very beautiful niacinamide for an oily skin girly, but for a dry skin girly, because this has a matte finish, it doesn't give the glow that others give. It has a matte finish, so I don't really think a dry skin girly would love this. Yes, you would really complain unless you substitute it with a very moisturizing moisturizer, but this doesn't have that glow. It's a matte finish, and it just locks in, and it contains 10% niacinamide. And for some skin sensitive skin, a lot of people have been complaining that it is harsh for them, it broke them out, it did this one, it did that one. If you're a dry skin girly, you are not going to like this. If you're a dry skin girly and your moisturizer you are using is not so moisturizing, you'll break out. You know how dry skin is. If you're not getting enough moisture, it will itch, you will break out, because this is not so glowy. Okay, I don't even think it contains hyaluronic in it. Moving to the next one, I've given my review on this. I am an oily skin girly and I love this. With the way I'm smiling, you know already that this is my baby. Okay, so this is the Tiam Vita B3 Source Niacinamide. Okay, yeah, so this contains 10% niacinamide and 2% arbutin. Arbutin brightens your face. I also like that niacinamide fades dark spots. Okay, if you have dark spots, using your niacinamide, you would notice a visibly faded spots. Pores are going to reduce and are going to fade down. Now this Tiam niacinamide, guys, I love this particular one. This is the last one I started using, and trust me, this is the one I'm going to keep on using because I love this brand. It is runny like the Face Facts. It is very, very runny. Like once you just apply it, it goes down, and it is the glow it gives. The glow, oh my god, it is because of the glow it gives. It gives the same glow this gives. Okay, they are matching each other. Sweet glow, yeah, they are matching each other. See, for me, I love anything that is glowy. My skin, even on my skin, it has to glow. Everything has to just glow. Don't give me that dry matte. I mean, I'm an oily skin girl, yeah, but I don't like that dry matte. Don't give me that dry matte. And that's one thing I don't like about The Ordinary. It has this dry matte finish, but no, I want that glow. Okay, so guys, this are the niacinamides I'm going to be reviewing. Okay, so this is my burst. This is the one I love. It gives me everything. It brightens my face because it contains arbutin, 2% arbutin, and it gives me that glow, and it minimizes my pore and does the work for me. It is so ingredient friendly. Whatever ingredients you're using, trust me, you're going to use it well. Okay, now how to use this for someone asking how do they incorporate niacinamide in their routine. So if you have a cleanser, like after coming out from your shower, you cleanse your face with any gentle cleanser you're using. The next, you go with a toner. If you're using a toner, for me, I'm not using a toner at this point, but if you're using a toner, maybe a rice toner or hydrating toners, you go in with your toner. Then next, you go with your niacinamide. Niacinamide goes after your toner. After your toner, you use your niacinamide because niacinamide is kind of runny, okay, and you need it to like soak in. Then you can now top in with another serum if you also use another. Niacinamide is compatible with vitamin C and other hyaluronic serum, ceramide, whatever serum you are using, but let niacinamide come immediately after your toner. You use your niacinamide, then any other toner you are using, your hyaluronic toner, your ceramide, your peptide, then you go in with your moisturizer. And don't forget to use your sunscreen, guys. Yeah, sunscreen is the bae. Use sunscreen. Sunscreen is the coating of it all. Okay, so yeah, guys, this is what I'm going to this is all I want to talk about niacinamide. Niacinamide is a must-have. Niacinamide is a must-have in your skin routine. And like I said, for a dry skin girly, I don't think you should take this. Else, if you buy this, you're going to complain. It's going to react. It's going to be very harsh and not suitable for your skin. So skip this and go for this. For a dry skin girly, this would hydrate your face and niacinamide your face and brighten your face and do all the goodies that niacinamide does and still allow your face to glow. So you should go for this and this too. This is affordable, yet it does the work. Don't look at the 6.5 because this retails for 6,500. This retails for I think 15,000 naira. No, 17. This retails for 17k. This retails for 17k, and this retailed for 14,000 naira. Good Molecules is 14,000 naira. This is their 30 ml. I think all are 30 ml, like, okay, this is 40 ml. This is actually bigger. So guys, that is all I want to talk about. Have I gotten everything? Yes, guys, so please incorporate niacinamide in your skincare routine. Okay, girlie, please, I would love to see your skin glow. Okay, if you're using your vitamin C serum, yes, you can still use niacinamide. Just go in with niacinamide first. Okay, so guys, we've come to the end of this video and this talk about niacinamide. This is all I want to talk about. Niacinamide. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Like and share this video for anyone trying to improve their skin texture or who's concerned about, okay, their pores are so visible, they have blackheads, and whatnot. So niacinamide is the game changer for you, and if you incorporate it in your skincare routine, you're going to love your skincare routine. Okay guys, and yeah, see you guys in my next video. Bye.